Good morning, dear children. Today, ma'am will teach you how to write letter Q and letter O. So, for writing letter Q, first of all, we will make a slant line, touch the top line, top blue line, curve, come down a little, make half oval. When you reach this point, go up, join, and come down like G. But instead of turning this way, we will go slant this way. So this is letter Q. One more time. Slant, curve, come down, make half oval, go up and join here. Okay, we will not go and join on the top. We will not go till here. Join here and then come down, touch the lower red line and slant line. So this is letter Q. Now the possible mistakes are, first of all, you will not make a very long starting stroke. So this very long starting stroke is wrong. Next is, please do not go till here and then come back, because some children are doing this in letter A, D, G. Some children are doing this. So please do not go till here and then come down. Okay. Next mistake is, do not go very far. Okay, this slant line should be near till here. Do not leave this line here. You have to go and touch the blue line. Okay. Next possible mistake is, some children cannot come down straight. In letter G and Y also you are coming down slant. So if you come down slant, your Q will become like this. If you come down slant like this, your Q will become like this. Okay. So come down straight. From here, come down straight and then slant line, which will be near to this standing line. Is that clear? All right. Now the next letter is O. Letter O, again stand for the slant line, come down from here, curve. Now you will make full oval. Join here and walk till this side and then make a loop. Once again, come till this side and then make a loop. Is that clear, children? One more time. Slant, come down, join here, walk till this point and make a loop. Now the possible mistakes here are, these two lines are wrong. Can you see this second line? And can you see this point here? You are coming down here and then you're going from here. So this point, this type of formation is wrong. Please do not make a big loop. If you make a big loop, your O will become wrong. Do not make the loop on the side. So you have to go till here, till this point, and then only make a loop. After making the loop, after you finish making the loop, please do not go above the blue line. You will stop here on the blue line, at the blue line, okay? Like this, stop here. Please do not make a very long starting stroke and make ovals. Do not make fat circles. Do not make fat circles, and please do not make very thin O. Very thin formations also do not look good. Alright? Okay, bye. Thank you.